Hello guys, welcome to Bud of Knowledge. Today we are gonna start a new topic. Guys, today we'll be starting our first physics lesson. Force and pressure. First of all, we are gonna discuss about force and its effects. Force: we often push or pull things to move them. We push the button of it to on or off the switch. We pull the drawer to open it, and to close it we push it. A push or pull is also applied when we lift a bag, kick a football, pedal bicycle, compress a balloon, or squeeze a tube of toothpaste. This push or pull that affects an object in some way is called a force. Force is a measurable quantity. The SI unit of the magnitude of force is Newton, denoted by N. Force also has a direction. Effects of force: you all must have watched a cricket match. Let us refresh those memories. A bowler moves a stationary ball by applying force with his hand. A batsman applies the force with his hand on the bat to hit the ball. It changes the direction of the moving ball. A fielder uses his or her body parts to slow down or stop a moving ball. After a long period of play and hard hitting done by batsmen, the shape of the ball deforms from its initial spherical shape. A force can affect the body on which it acts in various ways. Force can make a stationary object move. What happens when a stationary football is kicked by a player? The force applied by the kick of the player causes the football to roll or fly away. Similarly, the force applied by our feet on pedals of a bicycle causes the bicycle to move. However, force cannot always make an object move. For example, how hard we push the wall with our hands, it does not move from its place. Force can change the speed of a moving object. What happens when a moving trolley is pushed harder in the direction of its motion? The speed of the trolley increases. What would happen if the moving trolley was pulled in the opposite direction? In this case, the cart will slow down. Thus, when a force acts on a moving object in the same direction of motion, the speed of the movement increases. On the other hand, when a force acts in the opposite direction, the speed of the moving object decreases. Force can stop a moving object. What happens when a player shot the football at a goal and is collected by the goalkeeper? The force applied by the hands of the goalkeeper brings the moving ball to rest. Thus, a force can bring a moving object to rest. Force can change the direction of a moving object. What happens when a batsman hits the ball coming towards him? The force applied by the bat of the batsman causes the ball to change its direction. As a result, the ball begins to move in a different direction. Thus, a force can change the direction of a moving body. Force can change the shape of an object. Children push or pull clay dough to change its shape and size and make toys from it. Kneading flour, squeezing a tube of toothpaste, stretching a rubber band, and crushing a cold drink are a few examples in which a force causes a change in shape and size of objects. That's all for today. I'll be uploading my next video on types of forces soon. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching this video. Hey guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, like, comment and share my videos to your favorite ones.